New questions tonight about a towing company first exposed by News Channel 5 Investigates. We began our reporting on Priority Wrecker Service last summer with customer complaints. Then we told you how the Tennessee Attorney General sued the Wrecker Service late last year. Now Jennifer Krause tells us how the AG's office is moving forward with its case against Priority Wrecker Service and why.
3 months after the Tennessee Attorney General sued Priority Wrecker Service, accusing the towing company, its sister company, Johnny's Towing, and the owner of both businesses, Jonathan May, of unfair and deceptive business practices and repeatedly violating the Tennessee Consumer Protection Act, the AG's office apparently has had enough.
They absolutely took advantage of me.
We first told you about Priority Wrecker and all the problems customers were having last summer.
So I'm watching them drive off with my truck.
But complaints like that didn't stop, even after the company was sued by the state.
So I figured I'd send you an email just saying, hey, they're still out there doing the same thing.
Now the AG's office has gone back to court, describing in recently filed documents that Priority Wrecker still has not responded to the lawsuit, and that it's gone through at least 4 attorneys since December. The AG alleges this is part of a deliberate strategy by the company to delay the process, evade responsibility, and continue unfair and deceptive practices.
Your price is now $3,800. And I was furious.
As customers have shared with us, the company has allegedly used questionable pricing, bait and switch tactics, and undisclosed fees, and threatened to impound customer vehicles and force them to pay in cash or through payment apps after leading customers to believe they could use a credit card.
It is a scammy operation.
Attorney General Jonathan Skrmetti told us back in early December that he was looking forward to holding this company accountable. Now his office is asking that a judge take immediate action against the business. This motion asks that Priority Wrecker be ordered to stop deceptive pricing and to follow all laws and rules for wrecker services. That owner Johnny May and his companies be fined $1,000 for each violation. That restitution be paid to customers who were victims of the business's illegal acts, and that Johnny May not be allowed to own a towing company or work in the towing industry in Tennessee for the next 5 years. The case is set to be heard April 10th. We'll let you know what happens. Jennifer Krause, News Channel 5 Investigates.
When the lawsuit was filed, the AG's office had received more than 60 complaints. Since then, nearly 24 more have come in. If you were a customer of Priority Wrecker or Johnny's Towing and you would like to file a complaint, you need to contact the Division of Consumer Affairs at tn.gov/consumer. And by the way, Jennifer did reach out to Jonathan May, the owner of the towing companies, for comment, as she has throughout her reporting. And once again, he did not respond.